Good morning, guys. On Friday's video, I was showing you how we compare these three indicators up to call drops in the market. And that drop right there is exactly what we ended up getting on Ethereum right here. Let me show you guys where I think the market's gonna go now. So let's dive into this. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. It is a good Monday here. Hey, you know what? As always, I want to teach you guys how to trade these markets with the greatest degree of accuracy in predicting tops and bottoms, and the way we do that is with a few indicators here, and I'm going to show that to you guys today based off a video that I actually did on Friday. So Friday we came out and we said this, you know what, we most likely are going to get a sell signal on Ethereum here. We have well money flow very high and trend exhaustions very high. If you guys watch this channel, I teach you guys over and over and over about this setup right here. When you get this sell signal, when you get well money flow high, when trend exhaustion is in this top red section, these are the places where we're looking for the biggest moves back down, and that's exactly what we got. Let me show you guys something here that you may not be seeing, because right now we're looking at a buy signal, and yes, this has called very good moves up in the past for Ethereum, and I believe this will be affecting the whole market. So we've seen those moves back up, but over here we could head just a little bit lower on trend exhaustion for sure, and definitely well money flow could go lower as well, but there is something kind of hidden in the background that I want to show you guys, and that is this. We're starting to form what's called an ascending triangle pattern, but we've actually broken to the downside, even though if you actually Google this, this usually looks to break to the upside. So again, I would be very careful going to Google and Googling the patterns you see and say, oh, it's just going to break up that way. Not always, okay? We've already broken to the downside, and what we're getting this morning is actually a break and a retest formation, which usually looks to get pretty bearish for a move back down. So if you guys are looking to get money back into the market, this is a great place to maybe dollar cost average, but I have to admit, guys, I do not think the bottom of crypto is actually in yet. All right, let me show you guys something here. I'll show you how to get these indicators here in a second, but we did release incredible metrics on our website yesterday, and we basically overhauled everything. So let's take a look at this. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to access this page. Go to the front page, go over to crypto metrics, and you guys can come down here and scroll to Ethereum. So we're going to keep this in mind over here as that's loading of what this looks like, and I want to take us to the daily time frame as we get some perspective on this market here. We are in what's called a breakout pattern right now, and I'll show that to you guys with the metrics. So coming down here, first thing we're going to look at is what is the emotional index right now looking like for Ethereum. This shows us right now that we're sitting in the neutral section, and this really does make sense, because if you take a look at the emotions during this period, we are not really overbought to the upside, and we're not really, oversold to the downside either, seeing big drops. So right now, emotionally, we've got traders feeling pretty neutral. But here's the deal about that. When traders are in this neutral state over here, it's usually when consolidations in the market and really fast moves start happening, because you then have to squeeze one side. If this breaks up to the top side here, that is a short squeeze for short traders. If it breaks to the downside, well, people who thought this was going to go up, that is a squeeze to the downside for long traders. Take a look at this down here. Ethereum long and short trades. Interesting enough, we actually do see that long trades and short trades dropped out at the exact same time over here, which usually isn't the case, because, if you have long trades moving out of the market, that means people think the price is going to go down. You usually see an increase in shorts, but funny enough, we had both of them go down over here. Right now, volume-wise, on Bitfinex, we actually do still have, by volume, long trades higher than short trades. So you guys can watch this metric every morning. Smart money over here has been doing what we've been calling for the last, this is probably like the last week on this channel. We do feel like, and we've been calling that Bitcoin and Ethereum is most likely going to start heading back down, and we don't feel like this is a breakout pattern to the upside. And if we take a look at this, smart money over here, when they start coming out with what's called short sentiment, this is usually where the market's going to see pretty fast moves back down. And that's what we can see over here. And then if we take a look at this metric over here, we can see actually when long sentiment came out, one of the highest values we've actually had since July over here, we can see that's pretty much where the bottom was established, and we've been moving up ever since then. At the current moment, however, smart money is looking more so on the short sentiment side, and we can see, if you guys watched the charts yesterday and this morning, we are bleeding everywhere. In case in point, a little bit here, guys, Dogecoin. By the way, I don't know if you guys have been following me on this channel with Dogecoin. We ended up buying down here, and we ended up exiting, expecting this drop. And guess what, guys? I'm going to be taking this $1,000. It's just an official call. If you guys want to follow this or not, I'm going to put it back into the market right after this video. So there you guys go. You can have that. Okay, let's get back over to Ethereum. Wanted to keep you guys updated on that quick trade, because I've been having fun with you guys on YouTube YouTube here covering that. Okay, this is a brand new metric we've never shown you guys before. This is what's called the Breakout Detector. Very important. Please, guys, use it with responsibility. Here's what this is going to do. It's going to show you if impulse moves are the next move due in the market or if it's consolidation. And what this is doing is it's calculating the actual pressure in the market that's building. The lower this gets down here, this green line dipping down below this white dotted line, the lower this gets, that is insane amounts of pressure, and you will see massive moves in the market. It can't go sideways forever. So I gotta say, all my moon boys out there who are watching this, who just got really excited that you guys are gonna start throwing a bunch of money in, when you guys get green bars here, yes, you are going to see big moves in the market. You can watch this time and time again happen, but I would recommend always risk management and looking at the other indicators for confirmation. Based off this metric here, and I'll zoom in for you guys so you can see this, we are officially in a breakout zone here for an impulse move in the market. It is due to the consolidation we have here, and we are going to move down and we are going to go up pretty fast here. It's trying to time which way we're going to go, and I personally think we're probably going to see this move to the downside because we can pair this up with short sentiment for whales, and I do believe we're going to see a move down. Take a look at this. If we start dropping, where's the next strongest level of support? It is down here, and it is at 1,071. It is at 1,073. There's no more guessing now. This is where the strongest support is. Before that, I do believe, just very clearly for all of us to see, we are going to have a pit stop around 1,220 to 1,190. So we can call this 1,200. That's where I'm looking for this pit stop down here, kind of to see a break. And if we don't bounce up from here, we are probably going to go straight down to 1,073, 1,071. So this is just a target for those of you guys looking to short the market right now, and you're looking to have this drop out. I'm not a financial advisor, but you may want to watch this every single morning to see where your targets here to take some profit on short trades, because this is most likely where the market's going to bounce. And there you guys go. They're right there. As far as the move up here, we are going to have to break the resistance of 1,300. So do keep that in mind. And if we do break that, the next resistance, just come up here, follow your eyes, is 1,420. I love this metric. It's so simple, but it shows you guys where all the resistances and supports are. All right, our daily trade scanner. Let's take a look at this. This is going to update every single day. Currently, we do not have any buy signals on the chart for Ethereum. So those of you guys who want to come in here and you guys want to trade our strategy and you guys are taking the buy signals and you're scalping for 4% over and over and over again, clearly every single one of these have been winning trades for you. Just look in the past. Have you gone up 4%? Yes, easily 4%. So what you're watching for here every morning is for this to come back down, price action, come out with a buy signal, and if you guys choose so, you can go ahead and take the trade setup over here with risk management. And guys, there's videos for all this. Watch the video here, this tutorial. Every single one of these metrics now have a tutorial for you guys so you can watch the markets. All these metrics are now available for our top 20 coins that you guys can come through and look at all this metrics on a daily basis. On top of this, we do have something really special coming out for everybody on the inside tips this morning that we've never done before, where we're going to give you guys a full market update of what's going on. And I won't release it on YouTube here because I want it to be a surprise to our members. But if you guys watch the video, you guys know what it is. But this is how we're getting an edge in the market. Here's the membership as well. Quickly before I leave, I won't turn this into a big thing, guys. We had our membership as a high price of $95 a month. If you guys look, just this last Friday, it was $75. We just decreased our monthly membership and added about 110 metrics to the chart within the last 24 hours. Decreased our price and added a tremendous amount of value. So guys, snag a membership, watch these metrics every single morning, as well as get the indicators over here. You guys can snag the bundle pack that I just showed you guys real quickly. Let me go back over here, give you guys reference on the 4-hour time frame. We are watching for the signal here. We did get a buy over here, but I am watching very closely for this to move back up and see a stall here and potentially see a move back down. So if you guys want to watch this and you guys want to make these calls like I have on this channel and you want to pair this up here, the best thing to do, guys, is get these 3 indicators. Over here, I'll leave it in the description, but get the bundle pack first. This will give you guys price for swell money flow. This will give you trend exhaustion and 7 other indicators. Profits in a bear market, by the way, thousands of dollars people are making. This will give you guys all those indicators with source codes, and then I will also include for you guys immediately a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder, which you guys can set up on your charts today. All the indicators with the membership, we designed this to give you guys the greatest advantage in the market. And I think you're really going to like all the new metrics, and the indicators are calling this, and we're coming out and we're showing you, hey, the last prediction was looking for the move down. That's exactly what we got because we got these 3 signals right here lined up in the market. Everything you need is below, guys. I'll keep you guys updated, but I think we're going to get a break and retest here and potentially see another move back down. I'll keep you updated on this channel. God bless you guys, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.